is always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. You make your sail too big for your boat, your sail will capsize you, so you better take care. And of course, the English translation would be, you've made your sail too large for the boat, therefore it will capsize. And what Jamaicans mean when they say that, is that you really shouldn't take up more than you can manage. You understand? You have a little canoe, then why you need a big sail for? You understand? So always be mindful of your reality. Don't go too extra, because the moreness may just make things get capsized. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.